Hello, I'm Angela, Sales Engineer at Dwyer Instruments, and welcome to this video highlighting the Series 3100 MP Explosion-Proof Multiplanar Differential Pressure Transmitter. Dwyer's flexible and reliable 3100 MP can be utilized to monitor differential pressure in applications such as flow measurement, level monitoring, filter or pump differential pressure, and critical process monitoring. The Series 3100 MP features integral push-button zero and span, eliminating the need for a field calibrator for configuration and reducing time necessary to install and maintain. The transmitter's built-in software compensates for thermal effects to improve performance and also integrates a fail mode process function, which stores configuration settings in the event of shutdown or power loss for a faster restart to getting the application back online. The 3100 MP utilizes an oil-filled capacitance sensor, which is housed in a powder-coated die-cast aluminum or 316 stainless steel enclosure with 316 stainless steel wetted materials. The multiplanar design simplifies installation, saving operating time and money during setup, and the footprint is able to fit standard manifold valves and averaging flow sensors. This transmitter offers a 4 to 20 mA current output as well as HART Communication to make it a well-rounded and versatile device. The HART Communication not only sends an output of the monitored data, but it also ensures simple programming of the unit for quick installation. The 100-to-1 rangeability allows this smart transmitter to be configured to fit almost any application. In addition, units can be pre-configured by the factory to match the requirements of the application to minimize installation time. Units also have the option to come with a NIST calibration certificate, ensuring a high measurement quality. To learn more or order any Dwyer product, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.